Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Straight up into the reading I'm getting because you have read the title already. I will not stretch it. In this reading, I will try to pinpoint in which area of your life this blessing is arriving. What is going to be the timeline? So stay till the end. You get to see till when this blessing arrives. What are the blockages you need to heal first? And what are the things you need to do to let this blessing enter your life? Timestamps are given in the description for you to choose your pile from. Let's begin. If you chose pile 1, then this is your reading. To begin with, I have first checked your energy and I've pulled all the cards for my understanding. Pile 1, you have become very closed off in your life. You are in this hermit mode. And when I say hermit mode, I will not be surprised if you have lost your trust in the universe, thinking there's nothing called magic, there's nothing called manifestation, nothing just works. You're just closed off. If you're a working professional, maybe you're just going to work, coming home, doing your basic rituals, and again, the same thing happens. And you are functioning mentally a lot, like you have given up on this hope called magic, manifestation, universe, or wishing for something. This current energy right now I am sensing here with my cards is for you. You you have given up hope. Emotionally you have given up hope that ऐसा कभी कुछ होता भी है. I wish for something and it just happens. Like you have become very practical, which is a good thing, but this is your energy right now. Second thing I have checked here is what might be blocking you from receiving, this blessing. And I have got this. See, the power of tarot, it always amazes me. You are stuck in this mentality, and this card very well relates to your energy, that you are stuck in this mindset. Oh, if it did not work the way I wanted it to be, maybe universe has not written it for me, or things just never works for me, मेरे लिए कभी कुछ होता ही नहीं है. This is your mindset and you're stuck in it. Let's say you wished for something, it did not happen on your timeline and you just gave up hope, and now you're stuck that no, I don't want to put in efforts into manifesting or even visualizing. When people say visualize something, you will get it. There's a reason people say that, but you have totally stopped doing it. You are stuck in your head. There's this thing that it will not work for me. It did not work in the past or when I wanted, so it will not work. Ab kya hi hoga? That sort of a thing I have as a blockage. You need to come out of this thinking. See, if certain things did not turn out when you wanted it to be, maybe there was a reason. Maybe universe had some other plan for you, or maybe timing was just not correct. You are a lot in your head right now. I'm not saying it is bad, but mentally right now you have a lot of negative thinking, negative patterns, that oh, it did not work when I wanted it to be. Maybe all this is just crap, or there's this nothing called manifestation, there's nothing called blessing because I did not get it. You're a lot in your head. And when I checked for this thing, that what blessing is coming in for you, see this by any chance. If you know tarot, see, again, as I said at the beginning, right now you are a lot in your head. You are not able to see things clearly. Even if, let's say, blessing comes to your doorstep, you will be still blindfolded. You will still not see it, and the blessing coming for you is these blindfolds would be taken off. You will see right now. See, there's a possibility that maybe things did not turn out the way you wanted and it made you very numb mentally also, not just emotionally, that oh shit, I wanted this, it did not happen. And this blessing coming here for you, you will see things differently. You will at least try to have a clarity. And then I clarified this card for you. Emotionally, I am sensing this. You got hurt certain emotional things you wanted. And when I say emotional things, you wanted certain things which would have made you emotionally feel very happy. Emotionally, you must have expected a certain outcome of your wish in the past. And when I say past, let's say this year, you are watching this whenever you are watching, take, I would say, 5 months before or 6 months before this reading, you must have expected a certain outcome, a certain wish fulfillment. It did not turn out to be the way you wanted. And that hurted you so much. A lot it hurted you. Now, the blessing which is trying to, enter your life is, it is trying to show you a scenario, or like a, let's say, life where you will realize this certain thing did not work out for you, that was for your betterment. Or the max it can show you is, even if things did not turn out the way you wanted, life does not end. You have so many other things waiting for you, which are maybe better, if not good. This blessing which is trying to enter your life is, it is trying to help you remove the blindfold you yourself have put in your life, that oh, ye nahi mila, to I don't want anything, or I wanted this only. Life is trying to show you another scenario, another part of life, or let's say a complete 360-degree change, that even if one thing did not turn out, life does not end. You have better things in life. And this thing I'm sensing here, emotionally, you were attached to this one thing, could be anything. You are just grieving, and emotionally you're very hurt. And because of that, you have become very practical. You are functioning a lot from mind, that this, I did not get this, there's nothing called magic, this did not work out, I don't believe in magic. And that belief of yours is your problem. Then I saw this another thing for you. How this blessing will impact your life practically. And such an amazing card I have. All the hard work you have put up until now in your life, it will fructify slowly. Like, you have put in a lot of work in your life. Obviously, everyone does, but you, dear pile one, you have put in efforts way too much. Slowly you will see result. Now see, mind you, I am saying slowly. That slowly will still be very slowly. It will not be very fast, but in your practical life, you will feel like my efforts did not go waste. Maybe things are starting slowly. Whatever efforts you have put up until now, it did not go to waste. I am seeing this, it will not go to waste in your practical life. Maybe not very fast, but slowly you will realize that whatever I have put in the efforts into, it will fructify. Now, one thing I'm telling you, it will not fructify the way you want, and that is the blessing coming in your head. You are like, I wanted things this way only, but universe has something else for you. Universe wants you to show this blessing in some other area of life. And this will happen when you remove your blindfold from your head and heart also, that I wanted things this way only. And in this, if you ask me how this blessing will come, when you change your mind that I want things this way only, and let life surprise you. Maybe there is some other way. Keeping this timeless, from whenever you come across this video, 4 months from now, you will still be struggling a bit. And when I say a bit, actually a lot, you will be struggling in receiving this because of your own habits. What I'm noticing here with the cards I've received, 5 to 6 months from whenever you come across this video, you will still be struggling to accept the fact that life has a different way to play out. And what do I mean by that? I'm saying this since the beginning. There's this one pattern I'm sensing here with you. You want certain things a certain way only. And the problem here is universe has a complete different plan for you. Maybe universe gives you what you want, but not the way you want it. So for the good 5 6 months from whenever you come across this, the pattern would be such you would still be struggling to receive this blessing. Universe gives you what you want, that emotional satisfaction. One thing I saw this 5 6 months before you came across this video, something did not turn out the way you wanted. Maybe the bond did not work out, you did not go to another stage of your relation. And the thing is, now you have become this hermit, you have gone into this hermit mode, and you're like, if not this, I don't want anything. But you are wearing a blindfold. And good 5 6 months from today, see, the card here is very good. Like, if you start accepting that, life has a different way to play out, things will be much better for you. But if you keep having this mindset, no, I want things my way only, you will still struggle. After that, let's say 8 months from now, then you will get brain like akkal aayegi that, oh, this was happening because I was being very rigid. So when you get this, buddhi, after 8 months, better you start accepting now only. Try. I'm sure it will take a lot of time for you to accept that, I want things my way only. But this will be your final outcome, that you will start accepting, okay, now I can connect the dots, things did not work out because of this reason, or I should have not been very tough on myself thinking I want things this way only. After 8 months, if you do this better, start trying it now only. Then I saw what action or mindset prepares you to fully receive, this blessing. And, same thing it is saying, move from whatever did not work from the past, or move from the mindset you have. A majority of the cards are, about swords. In your head, there is a lot of this thing that I want things my way only, but you need to move from this mindset. And if you don't move, you will not see the other part of life universe is preparing for you. From a turbulent time in your past, you are moving towards the calmer water only if you let go this, rigidity. And what should you release or avoid to let this thing flow in? And I have this. See, one thing I'll say, you are stubborn. Okay, at times you become very stubborn. I want things my way. So many times I've said this stubborn word. So many times I've said, you want things my way. Let go of this, and one time just try and see what universe has for you, what surprise universe has for you. You will yourself realize that maybe you were very much in your head, or I'm telling you, there are times, where things just does not work out the way we want. Maybe things are written for us, but not the way we want. And take one chance and see what universe has for you. Any which ways, what you want, the way you want, it's difficult. It did not work out. The way you wanted, it did not work out. Now see what universe has for you. Try that way and see how your mindset is different. I will request one thing to you, don't lose hope. You have lost faith in this term called magic manifestation. I'm not saying manifest the whole day, every day, but have this desire, leave it on universe and see how universe gives it to you. If you, let's say, you want this one thing, but universe has something bigger for you, something better for you. Trust on universe once and see what amazing magic it presents you with. I would request you to subscribe, like, and comment as an energy exchange. I will see you next time with a new reading. Bye. Hi, guys. If you chose pile 2, then this is going to be your reading. To begin with, I have first checked your current energies around receiving blessings. So I get an understanding like what state are you in emotionally, mentally. And one thing I am sensing here for you, and even if this is not how you are right now, stay. Don't leave. Maybe there's something else for you in this reading. See, your current energies I'm sensing in terms of, receiving blessing is you have become hopeless, one. Second, and you are doing all practical things in your life. When I say hopeless, maybe you expect something, it did not work out in the past, so you have lost hope, thinking that ऐसा कुछ होता भी नहीं है. Anytime I hope something, maybe things don't just turn out the way I want. So let's just do as per, the paper, what is correct mentally. You have lost hope into the word called magic, manifestation in general. This is your current energy. You're just functioning like mentally, practically. I'm trying to say, you're just functioning. Somewhere you have lost hope in this term called, magic, surprise, blessings, because maybe certain things did not turn out the way you wanted. In this entire reading, I have a lot of pentacle cards. Maybe this reading is for you in terms of career, which you receive next, even if not, stay. And one thing I will tell you, pile two, do not lose hope in this word called magic or blessings. Maybe you expected something and it did not turn out the way you wanted. Does not mean magic does not exist or universe is not listening to you. Maybe the timing was not correct, or maybe that was not meant for you. I'm not saying this is the scene, but I see you here a bit hopeless that things don't turn out the way I want. So, what's the point of hoping? And you've become very practical. Anytime you see, if you manifest something with a lot of efforts, you put your heart and soul in it, you receive it. But right now, I don't see you in that, situation. You've become very practical. You should be practical also when you're manifesting something. But here with you, you have lost hope in this term called magic or blessing. And then I saw this card. What might be blocking you from fully recognizing or accepting blessing is, um, one problem is from you also. You do not think of long term for whatever you try to manifest or whatever you hope for. You do not put in efforts. And when I say efforts, in what sense? You will do a little bit of work and then you leave if it requires a lot of work, or even if things are taking time, you will not put in a lot of work. You need to think long term, you need to put efforts long term. Plant is not, grown in just 2 to 3 days. Every day we have to water it to make it like a proper plant from the sapling. You are not doing things long term, or if things, becomes a little tricky, you decrease your efforts, you lower the efforts. And now I saw what specific blessing is coming in your life. See, there are 3 4 possibilities, but the theme remains same. You get to learn something which you really wanted to learn, and this has a lot to do with career. You get to do the work which you wanted to do, and there's a lot of maturity connected to this blessing. Something you wanted to try which did not work out in the past, you get to do that, you get to learn that, or you get to be a part of that thing. You get to do it, and this is something which emotionally you really wanted to try. Maybe some creative work, maybe some career related work, maybe a project, anything which you wanted to try. And in the past, you did not have the resources, the right contacts, or anything which did not let you do this thing or be a part of this thing. This has to be career related, work related, some project related, finance related. Maybe you try a creative outlet you wanted to try. Emotionally, you really wanted to do this. And when I say you wanted to do this, you get to start this. There's no windfall of money or like a very big job, but something you wanted to try. You get resources, you get support, you get to do it. You at least get to begin this thing. How will this, blessing impact your life is, you will come out of this, loneliness which you have created around you. Maybe in the past you tried this and it did not work out. You put yourself in this isolation, thinking no one is going to help me. You will come out of this phase. You will start meeting people, you will start collaborating with people, you will start getting resources at least, or maybe you get the right contacts to do this thing which you really wanted to do. This blessing will impact you practically in a way that you had become a lone wolf. You were not coming out a lot in terms of socializing, in terms of, collaborating, and nothing has to do with collaboration. Also, you were in your own cocoon that things are not working. And in general, also, you were just doing your work, coming back home, repeating the same process. You will come out of this thing. It will ignite your creative spark again because you get resource or help, or you get to do something which you really wanted to do. And I saw the timeline that when will this, manifestation begin. From today to, let's say, next 4 months, you will be in the process of making this thing work. And when I say that you will be in the process of making this thing work, you will be trying to make it. It is still not there yet. From today to next 4 months, like, you will be putting in efforts daily, consistently, and 7 months from now, you see this thing manifest of yours. It could be anything, okay? It could be anything. 4 months from now, I see you putting consistent effort. Whatever is required for this, you are learning, you are putting in the effort, you are doing everything, and 7 months from now, you get this. You manifest it 7 months from now. Put a like, put a comment. I told you the timing. Please do the energy exchange. What mindset helps you to, or let's say, what mindset prepares you to receive this manifestation? See, alone you cannot do anything. You need people to help you. You need people who are expert in this thing which you are trying to manifest, or let's say, even if it's an internship or a job, alone you cannot do it. If, let's say, you end up getting a job where you are a beginner, take help of people, learn from them. Alone you cannot do anything. You need expertise of people who are already an expert in this thing. That will help a lot. Alone, do not try to do anything. You will fall flat on your face. Do not do that. Take help from people. What should you avoid, which will, make this manifestation like a bit slow? Avoid your comfort zone now. If you feel in the past this is how I worked, or this is how things worked for me, and now if they're not working, avoid it. I would say try to reach out to people other than whom you know. Try to collaborate with people and come out of your comfort zone, because when you collaborate, you meet new people, you come out of your comfort zone, you get to see, okay, these are my blind spots, these are the things I really need to work on. Avoid comfort zone, I would say. And one thing I will tell you, do not lose hope in magic or this term called manifestation. You should manifest with consistent efforts. Obviously, I am not, a promoter of, write 2 to 2, 3 times and just write. You constantly need to put in efforts. And, there was this block I saw in you. You're not putting consistent efforts. Little bit, problem comes, you may end up leaving it. You might think that, no, it is taking a lot of time, a lot of efforts, maybe this is not for me. Put in consistent effort. And just now, like couple of seconds ago, I said you will be putting consistent efforts, and after that 7 months, you see the manifestation, arrive. Don't lose hope in this term called magic, and work consistently and see what magic, life presents you with. This was your reading, pile 2. As an energy exchange, do like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you next time with a new reading. Bye.